The word like can be used as a preposition to talk about similarity. If you say that something is like another thing, or that A is like B, then you are saying that A is similar to B. Before a noun, we use the word like and not as. So look at these examples. Your shoes are like my shoes. So that means that your shoes are similar to my shoes. This rabbit is like that rabbit. So that means that this rabbit is similar to that rabbit. Or you are like my mother. She is always smiling and you are always smiling too. You two are similar. We can also use like before a pronoun. For example, you are like me. Life is like that. You two are very much like each other. You can also say like and then say somebody or something and then doing something. So like somebody or something, doing something. Here are some examples of that. What's that sound? I don't know. It sounds like somebody doing the dishes. What's that sound? It sounds like it's raining. What's wrong? You look like you're crying. So using the word like is pretty simple. Use it before a noun or a pronoun to say something is similar to another thing. If you say that something looks like another thing, then you're saying that that thing is like the other thing in appearance. And the rules are just the same for like that we saw before, meaning that you say look like and then a noun or somebody doing something. Hey, you look like me. Yes, we look like each other. You look like you're dancing. You look like you're drunk. If you want to say look and then an adjective, it's important not to say like. So you just say you look and then the adjective. I'll give you some examples. You look drunk. You look red. As is a conjunction, and we also use it to express similarity, but we use it before a subject-verb clause, not before a noun or a pronoun. And as means in the same way as, or in the same condition as. For example, you should do things as I do them. But it's important to note that in this sense, we can use like in pretty much the same way, especially in modern times. So you can say, you should do things like I do them. And that's perfectly fine to use like in this way. In fact, it's more common. But there are some set expressions that only use as and not like. So you can't use like in these expressions. And these include as usual. So as usual, you're eating spaghetti. As per usual. So as per usual, the bus leaves at 3 p.m. As always. So as always, I wear a dress on Tuesdays. As you know. As you know, I love pineapple. As I thought. It's just as I thought. You are my long-lost twin. One exception with as is that it can be used as a preposition before a noun, but only to express in the role of or in the position of. This is most common when we're talking about our profession, so I'll give you some examples. I sometimes work as a waiter. 5 years ago, I worked as a pilot. Guys, thank you so much for watching English Absorbed. If you liked this video, of course, like and subscribe. It would really help me out. And if you want to learn a little bit more grammar, then dive into my grammar playlist over at the side of my head. My name is Jesse. Keep acquiring, keep absorbing, and I'll see you in the next one.